Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to update Groupon application on your mobile device. To update the Groupon app on your mobile device, first of all, go ahead and make sure that the device that you're using is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in Groupon. Once you find the Groupon local deals near me, this application over here, look for the update button in this page. If there is one available, tap on update to download the latest version of the Groupon app on your device. Keeping your Groupon app updated ensures you have the access to the latest features, improvements, and security enhancement. So that's how you easily update Groupon application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.